I come this Lagos, I know a glory. Iberemu, more than 20 years, not this girl, no. And she did my hand, come travel, come back, and she come know me. So I said, this thing come there, I go. And I don't want to marry her, but I love her, but my mother say I can marry her, but not, I love my tribe. So my mother come die. I say die. This girl no come. My people say why no come. I say, but I not pay for him. That price I come call people for my friends. I think I go Isha. So then tell me say that I go pay now 280,000. I pay. So many things where I pay them. I come marry 2011. You know, but I married that 2017.
Went to Benin from Benin to Uromi. When we get there, we did the bride price, did everything. I asked the wife, say, now you are welcome home. You are now really our wife now. Yes, he said very good. He said that is yes. I say congratulations, that's very good.
I surprised as I come here now. Come there, I say himself. I know where himself come marry another person. My boy is there for his hand. My boy is 9 years now. About 14 years or 15 years, then he's there. Then he come there. No quarrel, nothing. I also have now this sickness where they happen for me. And them, it shouldn't born for me.
The sickness started disturbing the husband again. The husband now had to go home. I said, and when I had it, I said, why don't you go home with your husband? She said that you don't want to go here, they have to stay here. I said, okay, oh. I called the husband said, okay, why? You should leave them. I will not leave them.
I get this type of motor. I live in village. Come tell me, say, hungry. Every time hungry. I said, okay, oh yeah, sell the motor. Pay for my boy's school fees and use the other one. Go to the shop. But as I'm saying, making me start something. So I say, oh, okay. And that one, I don't even know how to take with them. I come send 500,000 for an account.
I come to hear say the wife has started marrying. Not knowing that the wife has a boyfriend that is befriending.
I hear say this man now, the friend, see, for long ago, if I go up, this boy will come.
Later on, the woman called me, the wife called me. When she called me, she was telling me that I should respect myself, we should respect ourselves. If we don't respect ourselves, it will make it difficult for us. I said, fine, if you are not marrying our brother, give my brother his son. Release the son to my brother. He went home to pay your bride price. He said he have returned the bride price. I said, where did he return the bride price? He said it's 25,000 naira. That's what he told me. My brother was telling me that he brought a letter to him. That when he was taking treatment and he saw the letter, he didn't even know that it was a divorcing letter. Is it possible to you to divorce a man when the man is not there? The court's supposed to invite the two couples to know what is going on and give them time to think before they divorce them, before they talk about divorcing. And I was asking my brother, what about the property that he used to live in the house? When I went to your house, they say she's no more living there again. Where is the property? He said all the property is with her, and she didn't even know where she took everything to. She didn't even know where about her. So that's what makes us to come today to say, let us see. How can the wedding hold? And since that man have seen that true, this wedding is true, that we want to do wedding true, the man cannot talk well again. The man cannot talk well again. The man get lean overnight. Say, a woman that I love that betrayed me this way. Why this woman betrayed me? It's painful.
Hallelujah. You have paid that rent as he has done today. They will now pray them. Bless them before the altar of God. Amen. So if you are only sacrificed or you have gone to the altar in the village when you got married, you haven't been in church. God is not there yet. You are going to vow to take care of each other.
You know what's happening?